Hello children, welcome to the online teaching session of class 5. Social studies, I will teach you lesson number 8, the land of sand. About the deserts. Deserts are dry lands, they receive very little rainfall. There are two types of deserts, hot deserts and cold deserts. Most hot deserts are located on the western side of the continents. See map 8.1 and learn the names. Children, these are the names of the deserts you can see in the map. Now, Saudi Arabia. The Arabian Peninsula in the southwest of Asia is a hot desert. Saudi Arabia occupies most of the peninsula. Location: Saudi Arabia is the fifth largest country in Asia. It is surrounded by Jordan, Iraq, Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain, the United Arab Emirates, UAE, Oman and Yemen. The Red Sea is in the west and the Persian Gulf is in the east. Land: most of the Saudi Arabia is a rocky plateau covered by a vast desert. About half of the country is a barren desert. Barren means where no crops grow. There are mountains on the western side near the Red Sea. The interior of the country is covered with sand. Rab al Khali in the south and An Nafud in the north are continuous bodies of sand. This region is dotted with sand dunes. Strong winds often shift the dunes from one place to another. There are no lakes or permanent rivers in Saudi Arabia. The wadis or streams that are formed after the rains last for a short time. So there is an acute shortage of fresh water in the country. Climate: Saudi Arabia has an extreme hot climate. There is hardly any rainfall. In fact, there may be no rainfall for several years. The summer season lasts from May to September. The weather is very hot and dry during the daytime. The nights are relatively cool. The winter season lasts from October to April. The days are warm while the nights are very cold. In the coastal areas, the temperatures are mild. Sandstorms are common in all seasons. Vegetation: plants that grow here can withstand the hot and dry weather. Most plants have long roots which go deep into the soil in search of water. They also have soft and fleshy roots and stems to store water. Sedge, tamarisk and date palm grow here. Wildlife: many animals are found here. Different types of insects, snakes, scorpions live in the desert. Pelicans, eagles, vultures, rabbits, mice and wild goats are commonly found here. The camel is the most useful animal in the desert. Its feet are adapted to walk on sand. It can also live without food and water for many days. Economic activities: a very small part of Saudi Arabia is suitable for growing crops. The main agricultural products are wheat, rice, alfalfa, dates and vegetables. Water needed for irrigation and domestic use is obtained by desalinating seawater. Date palms grow in areas where the underground water comes to the surface. Such an area is called an oasis. Permanent settlements are found near oases. Saudi Arabia is one of the largest producers of petroleum in the world. Almost the entire income of the country comes from the export of petroleum. The government is developing different types of industries such as petrochemicals, petroleum, refining, power generation, and telecom. These industries employ a large number of people. Life of the people. The discovery of petroleum has changed the lifestyle of the people. The money earned from exporting petroleum is being used for the development of the country. Towns and cities have grown rapidly. The people who were nomads earlier now live a settled life. They work as traders or in factories. People in villages still lead a traditional life. Most people live by tending flocks of sheep, goats, and camels. Some people still lead a nomadic life. They move from one place to another in search of pastures and water sources. Arab men wear loose, long sleeved, one piece dress that covers the whole body. They also wear a cloth over their head, held in place by a ring woven from camel hair. Women wear loose black cloaks. People in cities wear western clothes. Bedouins. Bedouins are nomadic people. They lead a very hard life. Most of them live by breeding camels, sheep, and horses. They get milk from the animals and use the hair of these animals to make clothes, tents, and rugs. During summer, the Bedouins camp near an oasis. In winter, they follow the routes through the deserts where there is water. They exchange lamb, sheep, goats, wool, carpets, and camels for dates, food grains, and other useful things. The lifestyle of the Bedouins is now changing. Many have given up their nomadic ways and have settled in urban areas. Cities. Saudi Arabia has many cities, both old and new. The new cities have all the modern facilities. Riyadh is the capital of the country. It is a modern city with skyscrapers, parks, markets, educational institutions, and hospitals. Jeddah is a commercial city and a busy port. Makkah and Medina are holy cities in Saudi Arabia. People come here for pilgrimage. So children, thank you and have a nice day.